Greetings viewers, and welcome to today's episode of Eric the Car Guy. And today, well, I've got something a little different, a little bit special for you. I want to share with you, well, basically how I got my start in the auto repair industry and how that relates to Craftsman Tools, in particular with this 3-drawer Craftsman toolbox. This is Genesis for me. I purchased this when I was in tech school. I purchased some tools to go into it. I got a discounted price on it, thankfully. This in the back of my 1984 Civic is where I got my start in the auto repair industry. Now, I've been using Craftsman Tools before then, and I'm still using Craftsman Tools now. I still have this 3-drawer Craftsman toolbox. I've kept it around as not only a reminder, but something that's actually useful to me. I still have some of those wrenches and things that I mentioned that I bought, and you know what, when I stop and think about, I know that was a few years ago. In fact, I graduated from school back in 1996 to become a mechanic, and I stop and think about all the stuff I worked on out of this toolbox, all the stuff I've worked on with my tools, and they're still here, they're still with me, I'm still using them, and I just think it's awesome. Now, I'm, like I said, blown away by the passage of time, but I'm also extremely grateful for, how far I've come and the work that I put into it and what I've gotten back, and especially here on Eric the Car Guy, and all of you that have supported me over the years and subscribed and left comments and, just generally just supported me and helped bring me to where I am today, which is in this amazing shop that I get a chance to work in and make my videos for you. When Craftsman reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to partner up with them, and I said, heck yeah, I would. And could we do a giveaway? Could I turn around and give away the exact thing that I got started with? And they were all for it. In fact, that's exactly what I'm doing in this video. Showing you my 3-drawer Craftsman toolbox, but I want to give you one. In fact, I'm going to be giving away 2 of these Craftsman toolboxes. This is brand new. In fact, it's even a little bit better than mine. This one has roller drawers on it, which, is an upgrade from what I had. I want to put this in your hands. Wait, there's more. In addition to the toolbox, what good's a toolbox without tools? I'm also going to include this Craftsman tool kit, this 159-piece tool set to go along with the toolbox. So that way you've got something to rattle around on the inside of that toolbox, and you'll be able to hopefully get a start like I did. So I'm very happy and proud to be partnering up with Craftsman on this giveaway, and specifically be giving away 2 of these 3-drawer Craftsman toolboxes along with the 159-piece toolkit. So 2 winners will receive the toolbox and the 159-piece toolkit to go in said toolbox. Now, I'm looking for people who are starting out. I'm looking for someone who's like maybe thinking about going to school, maybe thinking about starting a career in auto repair, something like that. Someone who needs these tools, and that's what I'm looking for. So 2 winners from the comments that I will pick to give these things away to. Now, you have to be a U.S. resident. I'm sorry about that. That's just the way it is. As far as the rest of the rules, as far as when the contest is going to run and all that, I'm going to put details of that down in the description. But you could win a 3-drawer Craftsman toolbox and a 159-piece Craftsman tool set to go in it. To me, I see this as a way to give back to all of you who have supported me over the years and helped me get here, helped me to do this. And once again, thank you to Craftsman for helping me out with this giveaway. Details down in the description, as I said. Also a link to EricTheCarGuy.com if you have automotive questions. Other than that, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it when you do that stuff. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty, and good luck.